What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I hope everybody's doing well. Today we are at this place full of art and graffiti here, which is weird though. This place, it's abandoned place, which is called Teufelsberg, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, we'll be checking out this place in here. And during the Cold War, US intelligence wanted to build a listening station in West Berlin to intercept Soviet radio communications. So this is a place which was, built for that thing. And during the years, everything was abandoned here. So yeah, let's go and see what's in store for us. So
true, we barely know each other, but I'm sure that we could do it right. Been talking day and night, love like we're moving slow. Us on the radio, feeling each other in the sand. Time to waste, so take my hand.
going on top. Let's see here. This floor. Interesting. Look at it. Beautiful colors. Look at this crazy art here. Ooh. Wow. Beautiful. It's impressive. Looking at it, I hope you are able to see it, what I'm saying also. It's like the images here are all alive, really. And let's go here also. Yeah, badass. Many beautiful things here. And we still have many things to view, so I don't want to waste so much of time on one place. Yeah, it's like walking through vlog, whatever you want to call it. Wow, this too is very interesting, unique, and it's full of amazing things here. See here also. Wow. Beautiful. And this kiddo. Okay. It's nice, really nice. And okay, this is the last part of the first floor. Oh, we'll check the upper part also to see what we can find in there. So oh, this is I don't know how to describe this, and quite interesting though. Let's take this place.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like
Dome. I hope you can see inside the dome, and now we are trying to go out and see. Here you have it, guys. If you enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel as well. And see you on the next one, and I wish you all of you Happy New Year. Take care. Peace.
Is it me?